In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Personal Tasks 2026. We'll walk through setting up a simple personal task board using one of Monday's templates, and then we'll explore different views so you can manage your day-to-day life more efficiently. First, open your browser and head over to your Monday.com homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home area, look for the option to create a new board. On most layouts, this will be a prominent button or section that lets you start a new project space. When you're creating a new board, choose the option to Start with Template. Using a template is a great way to get going quickly, especially if you're new to Monday.com or you're not sure how to structure your tasks yet. Once the Template Center opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search field and start typing the name of the template you're looking for, or a keyword related to personal task management, such as personal or tasks. As you type, Monday will filter the templates to show the ones that match what you've entered. From the filtered list, click on the template you want to use. This opens a preview so you can see the structure, columns, and example items. If it looks like a good fit for tracking your personal to-dos, click on Use Template. Monday will then create a new board in your workspace based on that layout. When your new board opens, it may default to a specific view such as Asset Cards. To work more comfortably with your tasks, switch over to the Main Table view. This table layout is where you'll see your tasks as rows, with columns for priority, status, due dates, and task names. Go through a sample task and customize it. Click into the priority column and choose an option like High to indicate how important that task is. In the status column, change it to something like Working on it so you can easily see what you're actively handling. Next, click on the Date column to set or adjust a due date, and click on the task title itself to open up more details, add notes, or clarify what needs to be done. Now explore the different views across the top of the board. Switch to Timeline view to see your tasks laid out over a calendar-style timeline, which is helpful for planning weeks or months. Try the Kanban view to visualize tasks as cards moving through stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can also open Team Workload and Progress Snapshot views. Even if you're working alone, these are useful for seeing how much you've assigned to yourself and how your progress is tracking over time. When you're finished exploring these, switch back to the Main Table view to continue managing and updating your personal tasks from your central hub.